Hello learners, welcome to the introduction of MexE 406 Robotics 1. I'm your guide, Engineer Mikko de Torres, and in this video, we're peeling back the curtain on what this course holds. From foundational concepts to hands-on exploration, we're gearing up to embark on an exciting journey into the world of robotics. So let's dive in and uncover the fascinating universe that awaits us. In this topic, we journey back in time to the origins of the term robot and its profound implications. The spotlight shines on Karel Capek, a Czech playwright who etched the first use of the word robot into history. It was within it was within his play RUR that the term made its debut, captivating audiences in 1921 Prague. Interestingly, robot derives from the Czech word for forced labor or serf. Capek's vision of a utopian paradise where machines bestowed incredible benefits and evolves into a cautionary tale. As the machines bring prosperity, they also unleash waves of unemployment and social unrest, ultimately underlining the dehumanizing impacts of technological advancement. The notion of replacing humans with mechanical contraptions horrifies Capek, signaling a resounding rejection of relinquishing human responsibility. While the robots in RUR were not mechanical in traditional sense, they were grown through chemical processes, casting an eerie twist on their creation. In our exploration, we continue to trace the evolution of terminology. Now, turning our attention to the inception of the word robotics. This term found its debut in a short story titled Runaround, penned by none other than Isaac Asimov in 1942. The literary landscape of robotics took a quantum leap with the publication of iRobot in 1950, a collection that housed several of Asimov's visionary stories. Among these narratives emerged an iconic fictional character, the robot therapist. This figure, emblematic of the intricate connection between man and machine, stirred thought-provoking debates. In the contemporary arena, the concept finds a modern counterpart in ELISA, a computer program designed to study natural language communication between humans and machines. Much like Asimov's robot therapist, Elisa simulated a psychotherapist responding to inquiries with thought-provoking questions. Our journey takes us deeper into the realm of robotics as we encounter the profound three laws of robotics set forth by the visionary Isaac Asimov. These laws, akin to ethical guidelines, form the backbone of Asimov's literary legacy and have left an indelible mark on the discourse surrounding human-robot interaction, where Law Zero is the foundational principle establishes that a robot must not, through its actions or inaction, cause harm to humanity itself, a sweeping declaration that echoes the gravity of robotics' potential impact on our world. Law 1. Here, we encounter the first direct interaction with humans. A robot must not harm a human being, nor allow harm to befall them, unless it contradicts a higher law, an ode to the value of human life and well-being. The Law 2 Asimov delves into obedience, stipulating that robots must heed human commands unless doing so clashes with a higher law, an exploration of human authority and a machine's role within it. Then lastly, the Law 3. This final law mandates self-preservation for robots, as long as it doesn't conflict with a higher order law, a reflection of the primal instinct to protect one's existence. These laws resonate not only in Asimov's literary universe but also in the ongoing ethical debates within the realm of real-world robotics. Now, after the technology explosion during World War II, in 1956, a historic meeting occurs between George C. DeVol and Joseph F. Engelberger. They discuss the writings of Isaac Asimov and commercially successfully develop a real working robot, which is the Unimate. Engelberger started a manufacturing company, Unimation, or Universal Automation. Their first robot was nicknamed Unimate, and Engelberger was coined as the father of robotics. The first Unimate was installed at a General Motors plant to work with heated die casting machines, perform spot welding on auto bodies. Both applications were commercially successful. The robots work reliably and save money by replacing people. Other tasks performed by robots are loading and unloading machine tools. In the modern times, Westinghouse acquired Unimation. So this robot idea was hyped to the skies and became high fashion in the boardroom. That paved the way the increase in capability and performance through controller and language development of modern industrial robots. They improve the mechanisms, sensings, and the drive systems. The benefits of these robots, redu- they reduce the cost of manufactured goods, and as a result of these industrial benefits, countries that effectively use robots in their industries results to an economic advantage on world market.